Hi, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to access your Amherst Students Clever portal. All you have to do is open a new window in a browser, preferably Google Chrome. Once you open that, you're going to enter the web address clever.com/in/Amherst. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page. Once you get to the login page, if you have your Students Clever badge, all you have to do is click Clever Badge Login on the right-hand side, and a camera will pop up, and you just hover the Clever badge over to the side, and that will get you logged into your Students Clever portal. If you know your student's email address, you can do it, log in with Google and enter their email address. And that's all you have to do to get into the Clever portal. My next video will be, once you're in the Clever portal, how to navigate around to get to Wonders and all the different sites that are accessible through that portal. Thanks for watching.